Tired of juggling endless WhatsApp chats and struggling to keep up with customer demands? Let's untangle that chaos and turn your WhatsApp into a marketing powerhouse with Aisensy. This tutorial will equip you with the essential skills to navigate Aisensy and unlock its full potential. First, let's explore the Aisensy dashboard. Your central command center. Notice the navigation menu on the left. This is where you'll find all the key features. Next, we'll organize your contacts. Click on Contacts to import, segment, and manage your audience. You can upload a CSV file or manually add contacts. Remember to use tags to categorize them based on interests or demographics for targeted messaging. Now for the magic: setting up your chatbot. Navigate to the chatbot section here. You can create automated conversations to answer frequently asked questions, qualify leads, and provide instant support. Freeing up your team to handle more complex inquiries. Drag and drop different nodes to create a customer journey. Time to broadcast your message. Head over to Broadcast or Campaigns to send personalized messages to your contacts. Craft engaging content, add media, and schedule your broadcasts for optimal engagement. Don't forget to track your progress. The Analytics section provides valuable insights into your campaign performance. Analyze open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to optimize your strategy and improve your results over time.